My name's Rob Plain, and I'm very proud to be Head of Woodwind Performance here at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. I foster an incredibly demanding environment, just as you'd expect, but also it's one that's supportive and compassionate, alongside being inspirational. I'm lucky to head an outstanding team of teachers here at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Whilst I'm a very hands-on head of department, and you'd get to work with me in performance classes, both individual and chamber coaching, wind reps, and conducting large-scale chamber music, the most crucial relationship during your time at college is the one you form with your individual teacher. The college enjoys a particularly close relationship with the BBC National Orchestra of Wales and the Orchestra of Welsh National Opera, and many of our tutors are drawn from the woodwind sections of these distinguished ensembles. But we also have many current and former members of other orchestras on the staff, from the Philharmonia, the LPO, Academy of St Martin in the Fields, and the CBSO, to name but a few. This team is supplemented by visits from stars of the woodwind world. We've had masterclasses from Orchestre National de France, clarinetist Carlos Ferreira, oboists Ruth Bollister and the Baroque specialist Paul Goodwin, Danish bassoonist Nicolai Enriquez, superstar Welsh flautist and principal of the Concertgebouw, Emily Bainin, as well as saxophonist Hugh Wiggin and all three of his colleagues from the Ferrio Saxophone Quartet. Here you're not only surrounded by musicians of all sorts, but also actors, set designers, music theatre students, and they're all eager to collaborate with you as an artist. What could be better than attaining a music degree, highly valued by employers of all sorts, whilst doing the thing you clearly love the most, playing your instrument and making music with like-minded colleagues. Above all, everyone in my department is treated as an individual. You're all unique, and you all have your different dreams. The Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama can inspire and guide you to become the very best musician that you can be.